My name is Jiju Joseph. I'm from the GUVI DW22 weekday um, Master Data Science batch. So, firstly, I'd like to thank GUVI for giving this wonderful opportunity to learn data science. Coming from different backgrounds, people are able to learn data science and get into this field. So, I really appreciate it. I'm looking forward to use the knowledge that I gained in the course in uh, in the market, in the industry. So coming to the course was really well planned out. They've given a really detailed brochure on what the course is going to be, and they covered all the uh, important things that are required for a data scientist to know. For example, from the basics, that is Python and different libraries of Python, and then statistics, basics of statistics, and machine learning, and then coming to natural language processing and image processing. It was really well planned out, and they were able to do a great amount of justice to all that content in a very short amount of time. So it is really appreciated. And also coming to like all these doubts, there is and the code kata platform was also really helpful to improve our Python knowledge, and 24/7 support, um, 24/7 support for any doubt via phone was the best thing about the course, I would say, because there are so many doubts that one has, and having a doubt, not one but multiple doubt clarification sessions in a week is a great feature of the course. Because online courses, one thing is not having a point of contact with anyone, but this is one great thing about GUVI's data science course. And the methodology of teaching also was, it was like we felt like I was in a classroom with streaming and a white dashboard. It was done really well, and I would highly recommend people who are interested in data science, or who want to shift to a different field, or who want to get into coding and software as such, to go ahead with this course. Thank you.